Welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we're going to make some delicious Cornish hens in the oven. Oh yes, if you haven't seen my last video, the smothered cabbage, please go on and check it out. But let's get into the ingredients that we will need for this recipe. Enjoy.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, place on nothing. Take you there.
Okay, our Cornish hens has been cleaned with some vinegar and fresh squeezed lemon. I cut up our vegetables and onions and placed it in a baking pan there already. All right, and I also diced up some garlic. I'll show you in a minute. And here's all the ingredients we'll be using for our seasonings to season up these hens, baby. It's gonna be bomb. And get you some freshly cracked black pepper medley. We also gonna use some, like I mentioned, some diced minced garlic, fresh garlic, and some ground cumin. And I'm filling the pan with some vegetable broth. And here I already laid down our cleaned Cornish hens, and we're gonna get to stuffing, baby. We're gonna stuff this hens with some deliciousness. So we got some lemons, some potatoes, some leftover petite red potatoes. We gonna go ahead and stuff in some garlic. And then we also gonna go ahead and stuff in some veggies. Okay, the veggies that you see in the bottom of the pan is what I'm stuffing these with: green, red, and peppers with some onions. All right, then you're gonna season the inside with the same ingredients that you see on the counter, the outside and the inside. And then that's it. We're gonna go ahead and generously but lightly season it up. Okay? Don't over season your food. You don't want nothing salty. Okay? So go ahead and do your thing with that. And then we're gonna pop it in a 350 degrees oven. And see what I mean? Don't that look good, y'all? It's ready. It's ready. Okay? It's ready. That tail is fully flavored. Oh, but we're gonna put some lumen foil on top of this and put it in the oven, 350 degrees, like I said. And make sure that you pay attention, because you don't want to overcook your hens and all that. So we're gonna cook this covered for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then uncover them and cook for about 10 more minutes till you get a nice crust. I love me a nice crusted. And it's not going to be burnt. It's the seasoning that's on top. But baby, a crispy skin is a skin for me. So yeah, I'm covering it up, giving it in, and we're going to have a delicious smell. And I made this to go along with our smothered cabbage.
All right, so we're about to bake in the oven.
And those
uncovered.
cubed sweet potatoes. You see that? You see that? Dinner is ready, babe. Don't that look delicious? Just delicious. Try this at home. If you do make my smothered cabbage recipe, let me know. Cornish hens, let me know. And anything you make on the channel, let me know. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching my last video. And with that being said, as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. later.
We season, we cook it, we eat it. We season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey, bring the flavor. Bring the flavor to your comfort zone.